Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully designed, colorful, vibrant ideas of Mother's Day gift bouquet ideas that you can create these bouquets yourself at home by picking up different unique and colorful flowers and combining these flowers into a different unique and colorful bouquet to gift it to your mother on this Mother's Day. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some beautiful collection of unique Mother's Day gift bouquet ideas that you can create these ideas yourself at home by combining or growing different colorful flowers in your house, or purchase it from somewhere. You can create these ideas yourself or order these sort of ideas by showing or taking any picture from this video. You can create some unique and trendy Mother's Day flower bouquet ideas to gift on this Mother's Day to your mothers to feel her more special. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your mother more happy and surprising on this Mother's Day by gifting these sort of unique and trendy idea to your mother, that you can create any of these ideas by using different colorful flowers of her choice that she will likes the most. You can create some color combinations or flower combination according to these. Viewers, these are some uniquely designed ideas that I will bring for you all, that other than some bouquet gift ideas or some decorations, you can create or gift these ideas to your mother on this Mother's Day as a gift, combining with some other decorative arrangements. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.